Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to close your Robinhood account. So if for whatever reason you want to close your Robinhood account, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. The first method is closing your account through the Robinhood app. The first thing you want to do is open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Tap the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap settings, scroll down to account section, and then tap close accounts. Then confirm that you want to close the accounts. The second method is using the Robinhood website. So first off, you want to log on to Robinhood and then enter your account and click on your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click setting from the drop down menu, scroll down to account section, and then click close accounts and confirm that you want to close your accounts. Now, there are some tips to note when closing your account. The first is to verify that your account has been closed, and you will receive a confirmation email for that. The second is to download or review your account history before closing your account. And the third, of course, is to reach out to Robinhood support if you have any issues closing your account. So if for whatever reason you're having trouble closing your account, you can just reach out to the customer support and they're going to help you through that. So pretty simple, straightforward, two methods to close your account. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found that useful. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, because we bring you a lot more tutorial videos on financial tips and all. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.